Okay, on the 2013 Zuma, I've taken the outer case off. Not the real metal outer case, but the plastic one. What you want to do is put the bolts back in there. Don't do this on the grass. If you lose the bolts, you lose them forever. Remember, this has never been done before. This is the bottom. You can see where the bugs of or spiders or something have got to live there. This is really a problem. You can see right there, when you have a vent hose from, not this, but from a carburetor, and these little monsters get into your vent hose, and they clog it up with their little webs over the winter, you can have serious problems and you never find it. So just remember, check your hoses, everything else. What we have here, I have all the bolts for the cover. This one in here, I have the other bolts for the Yamaha. I'm going to clean all these up. I can see that this has dripped a little bit of gas and things onto the back, but that's what it's supposed to do. If you have it dripping underneath here, then there's a problem. Now on these rubber pads, they're really good. I mean, the gaskets, but you just can't take the thing off like this. You need to get a couple, God, don't get old, a couple of little of these, and very nicely pry them off. If you have a mirror that you can see underneath the if you can see underneath everything, that is good. Remember, this has never been done before. Since it's brand new, I bought it. Spokane. Paid about 3,500 bucks for it. Beautiful bike. I just wish it was made in Japan, not Taiwan. Alright. So the next thing to do is we're going to take the outer case off very carefully. We're going to look in there and we're going to diagnose it like a doctor would a patient. See what we find. And what you find in there will tell you exactly what's wrong with it, if there's any symptoms, if there's anything. Remember one thing, you see the oil right here and the grease? That cannot be mixed with the belt, excuse me, or the variator, or anything to do with the inner case. Now these the belts and the main, what do you call it? The main spring here are not that expensive, but they're made in Japan and they're made to take a heck of a lot of tension for these little bikes. That you can save a few bucks, you buy cheap in China or knockoff or wherever. But when you're going with drive belts, things like that, variators, everything, and you're going stock, you want to go Yamaha motors. That's what you want to do. Now I noticed these were made in Taiwan. That really upsets me because I spent a lot of money for a Japanese bike. I could have spent 1,200 bucks for a knockoff Chinese bike that lasts me my whole lifetime or 3 months, whichever comes first. I spent 3,500 bucks in tax to get me a top of the line Japanese bike. Of course, I haven't bought a bike in a long time. Then I come over here 1 year and it says made in Taiwan. Oh, I was upset, extremely upset. I have nothing against Taiwan, but if I pay Japanese prices for a Japanese bike, that's where I want it. I don't want a Mercedes made in India. I don't want a Ferrari. It's made in Mexico. I want the real deal made by the real technical people. The Japanese have so much pride and honor in every little thing they do. That's why their stuff lasts so long. That's why everybody loves them. But like everything else, the Japanese, Chinese, everybody, they're offshoring their parts suppliers to save money. Well, that I can see them doing it, but if you're offshoring the parts, state that they're not made in Japan. Because I want to buy a new Japanese truck. I bought this one in 1993, brand new, for $9,300. Standard 2-wheel drive, 5-speed. And now, you know where they make these? They make these and Tacomas and everything else. They make them in Mexico. They make them in Mexico, and they charge $80,000 to $100,000 or whatever the price is. And I'm like, I looked up Japanese cars. You know, I love Japanese cars. There's only 3 or 4 models that are actually made in Japan by Japanese technicians with Japanese hands. That's what I want. Anyway, that's my rant for the day. I'm going to take the cover off and we'll see what we got. Thank you.